This is the S7 Max Ultra from Roborock, and the slogan is, let me check, for those who don't compromise. Well, it comes with auto tank refilling, auto dust emptying, auto mop washing, and most importantly, auto warm air drying. It dries the mop and leaves it smelling fresh. I've never seen anything like this on any other vacuum cleaner. It doesn't compromise on anything, does it? But is the S7 Max Ultra any good? Are there any downsides? In this video, let's find out. By the way, we'll skip the unboxing and get straight to the usage as we covered it in our last video. Let's get started. Alright, to use it, first we place the base near a power socket, just like that. And then we install the cable. We can take this cable into the slot. Then we connect to the power. The front indicator lights up. As we can see, we have 3 buckets here. This is for dirty water tank, and this is the clean water tank, and this is for collecting dust. The watch have another bag in the box, so you have 2 bags. So first we fill the clean water tank with water. And let's take a look at this clean water tank. Wow, it's pretty sophisticated, right? It even has this kind of pipe because that's for water filling. Now let's pull this vacuum cleaner to the base. Charging. And now let's connect with Roborock app. Alright, we go to Roborock app. Wi-Fi connected. Okay, and that is the main interface. It's pretty much like before, so I just give you a quick tour of the app. Water drying. I have to show you because this is not the feature of any other vacuum cleaners. Robot voice. It has several languages. Remote control. You can even use it as a toy. Okay, with all that's done, we finally get to the cleaning. But before that, we have to clean out with this hard, sharp toys. Let's spray it on your floor because, it might get your vacuum cleaner damaged. I have plenty of them because I have a cute daughter. Starting to clean. This is like a dried on dirt. Let's see. So it detects the obstacle and then cleans circling around it. Okay, I'm gonna take this to a little bit extreme. I put like a really small object and put it around it. Wow, it detects that and avoid it. This is like so small. Before this, but now this is small.
Finished cleaning. Returning to the dock.
Returning to the dock.
Starting to wash the mop.
Hear the noise. It's like decently quiet, right?
Emptying dustbin.
That is pretty loud. Alright, that is the whole process. Let's check if they cleaned the mop or not. Let's check out. Alright, so this is the mop cleaning. Seems quite nice, right? Obviously, it has like a scrub somehow, so you can see the marks here. So this is like the brush for the mop. As you can see, it left some rubbish here. Now what we need to do is just clean things on here. Silent power saving air drying. We can choose like the duration, like 2 hours, 3 hours, or 4 hours. So let's test if it's really drying or something. There's a warm breeze that's blown out from the bottom. So the paper is like vibrates. So let's see. Let's wait 2 hours to see how that's going. Oh, okay. While we're waiting for the mop to dry, let's check out the cleaning ability. Just check out the floor. It's just so clean. I cannot even spot any small stains. Even the strong stains is all gone. I mean, for Roborock's vacuum cleaners, cleaning ability is the least thing to worry about. I've tested it, basically from the first generation, and it's just so good. Alright, this is after 2 hours of auto drying. Let's check out. Wow! I don't even need to see actually. I can feel. It's like so dried, you know. No water left at all. You know, smelly mop is one of the problems for such vacuum cleaners. So without the annoying smell, everything will be good. Alright, that's it. Now let's get to my conclusion. To conclude, as always, I'm truly amazed by how well the S7 Max Ultra has performed for us so far. Its cleaning ability is exceptional. Although I didn't even bother to test it because the previous generations already offered unparalleled performance. There are many other impressive features like amazing obstacle avoidance, perfect for families with pets, even when they make a mess. Inversely, the auto mop washing and drying, along with the flawless app, make this a fully automated vacuum cleaner that truly frees your hands and eliminates any worries about cleaning. I would say it's the best Roborock vacuum cleaner I've reviewed to date. Currently, Geekbuying is offering the best price for the S7 Max Ultra, and the first 200 orders will receive 8 free accessories. So definitely go and get it, you won't regret it. The link is provided in the description. Thanks for watching, I'm Sammy. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.